Hello, welcome to my channel. Kindly click on the subscription button, like, share. If you're watching from Facebook or the social platforms, please enable to follow, like, and share. Tonight I'll be showing you how to claim your daily cipher Morse code. As usual, we click on this cipher. The letter before us tonight is KYC. KYC. For the letter K, dash, dot, dash. For the letter K is dash, dot, dash. For the letter Y, dash, dot, dash, dash. That is for letter Y, dash, dot, dash, dash. For the letter C, dash, dot, dash, dot. For the letter C, dash, dot, dash, dot. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow if you are watching from other social platforms. See you on the next video. Goodbye.